Hello again. Welcome to Front-End Web Development course. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the things you need to know about front-end and how you can maximize front-end development. So this course covers the most popular web development framework, and we're going to be using quite a number of them. And from there, we'll find a way to monetize our website. Okay, before I continue, let me talk about the different platforms and some of the things you will get. I'm going to be talking about web desktop, web mobile, iOS, Android, and the JavaScript, the evolution of JavaScript. I'm going to be talking about server and client, cross-platform mobile app, hybrid application, multi-threading, and all that. And I'm going to talk explicitly on HTML. Not only that, I'm excited to talk about JavaScript. We just mentioned it a bit, but in this course, you're going to learn JavaScript framework. You're going to learn the libraries and the development tools that we'll be using. Alright, HTML generally runs on the web. That is, you can't just run it anywhere. It has to be on the web. It has to be run through your web browser. And you can only access HTML files using your browser like Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. And not only that, you can access HTML through your smartphone as well. With your smartphone, any browser on your smartphone can access HTML files. HTML files can be sent on the server as well. Now let me talk quickly about client server and front end. When you visit a website, the first page the page that will pop up is called it will show in HTML. So if I have a website now and I want to pass information about my company, and we have to write it in HTML, HTML is like the design that user or client will see and interact that user can interact with. But they will know more about your company or about your website. They can actually request for a particular information. Maybe if they want to log in, they want to know. HTML basically handles the design, the interface of your application. One juicy thing about HTML is that it's cross-platform, it's responsive. If you develop it very well, design your page very well, your page can work on all platforms like tablets, mobile, and desktop. Now, what is HTML5? We're going to be using HTML5 throughout this course, and of course, it's the fifth version of hypertext markup language, and this HTML5 has been widely used over a number of years now, and we're going to be dealing with HTML5 because of many other features that is being embedded. HTML5 entered the market around 2012 or thereabouts. Now, and the juicy part is HTML5 is in web. It works on all web browser, and they don't need to install any other plugins, unlike Flash, where you need to download plugins before it can work. And currently, we no longer use Flash animation on the web. So at the end of this course, I'm going to be dealing with so many things you need to know about HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. And let me just tell you some of the things that is very important here. HTML5 provides the structure to the web pages. The structure, the layout, the structure basically, it provides the structure, how it will be arranged, and CSS provides the styling. That is the color you want to use, the size, the layout, and many other things like that. Whereas JavaScript provides behavior to the web pages. Maybe when user click, when user load a page, when user navigate, things like that. So we're going to be dealing with all of this, and of course we're going to use other framework like React, JS, Angular, and probably TypeScript. HTML5 has built-in video and audio tags. So since unlike HTML4 that they don't need they don't have audio tag, and hence no need of external plugin like Adobe Flash, Silverlight. HTML5 ended their era, and not only that, there are better interactions for rich internet application. You can drag and drop canvas, element, and many other things. That alone ended the era of Flash, Adobe Flash, Silverlight, and all that for the web. And its cross-browser support works on virtually all modern browsers, and of course as well as mobile browsers. You can easily integrate your JavaScript, and JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world out there. Now let's talk about JavaScript. It is known as ECMAS script as well, and this programming language is evolving, and currently we are in version 6, and it's just about behavior, how you want your website to behave, maybe you want pop-up and all that. That's the work of JavaScript. I'm going to be dealing with many of these in an upcoming videos. Some of the HTML advantage should be hybrid app in a mobile app. That is, you can easily convert your web application to mobile app easily using phone app and all that. Also, HTML5 supports multi-threading. That is, your web worker can concurrently run with your main thread. Maybe you want to load some files underground, and that files can slow down the loading speed of your website. So you can run it asynchronously so that it won't affect the load speed. It will run at the background. So HTML5 support that as well. Of course, you can work offline. You don't necessarily have to come online. You don't have to be you have to connect to the internet before you work with HTML5. You can work offline, then upload your website. Thank you. See you in the next class.